Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Iqra Hafeez and you're watching Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the news. Ramiz Alakbrov, Deputy Special Representative of the Secretary General and the Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator for Afghanistan, is holding a briefing about recent events in Afghanistan.
Working with interlocutors on the ground to find solution to this current situation, and that we are engaging with the authorities. The UN Emergency and Relief Coordinator will conduct a visit to Afghanistan. There will be several other visits which we are planning to make at the senior level in order to prevail upon the interlocutors on the de facto authorities side to resolve this situation. And this will be taking place in the course of the few coming weeks as we are assessing the implications of what is happening. And there is already an impact because by introducing the ban, a certain...
After winning the elections, Netanyahu negotiated with hardline, conservative and far-right parties that have been expressing inflammatory views about the Palestinians. According to the French news agency AFP, Netanyahu said in an address to the parliament Knesset before the swearing-in the ceremony that this is the sixth time that I am going to form a government that has the support of the parliament and I am the first time. Russian missiles hit Ukraine Thursday in the biggest wave of strikes in weeks, damaging power stations and other critical infrastructure during freezing winter weather. Russia fired 69 missiles at energy facilities and Ukrainian forces shot down 54, Ukrainian military chief General Valery Zelensky said. Local officials said attacks killed at least 2 people around Kharkiv, Ukraine's second largest city. The strike also wounded at least 6 people across the country, although the toll of the attacks was growing as officials assessed the day's event. Uzbekistan's Ministry of Health says 18 children have died after drinking cough syrup. The drug is manufactured by the Marine Biotech, a pharmaceutical company in India. According to the Ministry of Health, according to the preliminary analysis, a toxic substance, ethylene glycol, has been found in this medicine. After the first snowfall of winter, the cold has increased in Malkai Kosar Mari.
हिदायत पर अमल पैरा होकर अपने सफ़र को आसान और महफूज बनाएं। आने वाले सयाह हज़रात से गुजारिश है कि अपनी गाड़ी को मैकेनिकली चेक कर लें। आपकी गाड़ी दुरुस्त हालत में होनी चाहिए। गाड़ी के टायर की कंडीशन अच्छी हो। स्नो टायर्स या स्नो चेन का इस्तेमाल करें। इसके अलावा आपकी गाड़ी की बैटरी नहीं होनी चाहिए। गाड़ी का फ्यूल टैंक जो है वो फुल रखें। गाड़ी के वाइपर्स और लाइट्स वगैरह दुरुस्त हालत में होनी चाहिए। गाड़ी के रेडिएटर में एंटी फ्रीज का इस्तेमाल करें। मरी शहर की तमाम सड़कें जो है वो वन वे हैं।
The arrival of large ships is continuing at Gwadar port. Large ships loaded with fertilizer are anchoring at Gwadar port. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government also failed to control the common disease of pneumonia. 175 children died of pneumonia in 3 big hospitals of Peshawar during 1 month. According to the reports, 153 children died of pneumonia of Khyber Teaching Hospital, 12 at Lady Reading and 10 at Hayatabad Medical Complex. According to the spokesperson, 447 children infected with pneumonia have been brought to Khyber Teaching Hospital alone. The treatment of the affected children is ongoing. That's all for now. For more updates, keep watching Desi TV USA or visit our website desitvusa.com.